What's up, friends? I got a couple lessons for you today. One, everything you should know, every one of you should know, how to start a chainsaw. So, this is my baby right here. This is the pull cord, and this back here is the choke. See it? It goes up and down. You like to mash the button in, mash it down, okay? So all the way to the bottom, it's choked. It's got air coming in, it's got fuel coming in, it's ready to start. So with these saws, you're supposed to get it, pull it a little bit out till it gives you some resistance, and then pull on it. And when it finally fires, maybe after the third time, like that, then you move the choke up to the next setting. Okay? Same thing. Pull it till you feel some resistance. It wants to start. I can tell, it told me. Simple as that. Always. And there you have it, friends. How to use a chainsaw.